It's Saturday night, and you know what that means. We've got the top 10 recipes of the week. Who made it to the top 10 and who ranked out as number one? Well, the only way you're going to find that out is if you tune into this week's episode of Inside the Kitchen. Welcome to Inside the Kitchen, the only show that showcases the best recipes by the best home cooks in the game. I'm your host, Cooking with Pat Lee, and let's not waste any more time. Let's get to cooking with our top 10 power plays of the week. Starting things off is the sandwich king himself, Ninja Q. This Italian grinder sandwich has our mouths watering. It's so simple to make, yet the flavor components are complex and satisfying. He never disappoints when it comes to these kinds of hits, and we're here for every single moment of it. At number 9 is one of our faves and an innovator if there ever was one. Spilling the Sweet Tea hits a home run with her take on taco nachos. I love how creative, fun, and delicious these look. Often when I find a recipe I like, I recreate it, and I can assure you we're going to redo these in our kitchen for sure. Make sure you're following this legendary chef, you won't be disappointed. At number 8 is the first time to the Inside the Kitchen family, and my goodness does this deliver. Cook with C swings onto this list for her chicken pot pie with a double crust. Everything from this crispy crust to the savory filling, this one needs to be in your family's dinner rotation for sure. Coming in at number 7 is our boy DZ Lee with his shrimp tempura roll. Coming into this list back-to-back weeks, DZ has been bringing nothing but heat with his Asian classic recipes. This one takes skill, precision, and finesse. 3 skills that will truly bring him to the top of the game in 2026. At number 6, we have Melinda Roach's Vodka Bolognese. We love a comforting pasta dish on this platform, and this one's simple, easy, and delicious. This is the kind of recipe that will have you knocking on her door asking for a plate or a bowl. We won't judge, but we will judge you if you don't pull up to her page and give her a follow. We're down to the top 5, and coming in hot is a man whose dessert skills are impeccable. Plates by Cody charms his way into the list with his pineapple upside down cheesecake. This one's for the sweet treat lovers and another hit for the rising star. At this point, we can safely say that he's the king of the cheesecake game for sure. At number 4, we have an Inside the Kitchen favorite as Ashley Brienne hits the list with her spicy vodka pasta and grilled broccolini Caesar salad. This is one of those recipes that you can find at a Michelin star restaurant, beautifully plated, decadent, and gorgeous. We're not telling you that you have to give this recipe a try. This is the recipe that you must try right now. We're not kidding. Go ahead and try it. We're down to the top 3, and starting off the list for these 3 heavy hitters is another viral sensation, Bon Appetit, with her game day ready cheeseburger sliders. Easy, flavorful, and fun for the whole entire family, this is a recipe that hits on all levels. Grab a few of them, grab them all, and make sure you give her a follow and grab that recipe. Coming in at number 2 is the one and only One-Stop Chop with his take on chicken adobo. The first ever Inside the Kitchen top 10 winner blesses us with his take on Filipino comfort classic food. This one will stick to your ribs, warm up your soul, and will leave those hungry bellies full. Grab the recipe on his page and tell him that Chef Pat sent you. And at number 1, and fitting that he topped the charts, is the greatest rapper / chef alive. Rapping Chef soars into the top spot and drops the mic on the competition with his restaurant level quality shrimp scampi. Everything from the shallots to the sauce, this recipe screams perfection. Put this on his greatest hits album because this recipe is certified platinum. Congratulations on winning the top spot on Inside the Kitchen's top 10, and look out for his recipes on all social media platforms. That about wraps up another exciting episode of Inside the Kitchen. If you know somebody who deserves to be in the top 10, comment below or simply use the hashtag ITKTop10. For all of us here at Inside the Kitchen, I'm your host, Cooking with Pat Lee, reminding you to keep those pans hot and your flavor game strong. And until the next time we feast, peace. Catch Inside the Kitchen's Top 10 every Saturday night at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on your favorite social media platforms. Help us to gain traction in the algorithm by liking, commenting, sharing, saving, and engaging. From the best recipes in the game to news, highlights, and insights, the Inside the Kitchen universe is looking to shift the landscape of food content on social media. Much love and stay hungry, my friends.